How to cancel Kling AI subscription. So first of all, you have to log in into your account. On the top right side corner, you will see this option of sign in. Now here you have to enter your email and password and just go and click on sign in. And I have logged in into my account. Now here navigate to the subscription management. So where you can find it on the top right side corner, you will see your profile icon, right? And here you will get this option of my creatives and everything options available here, or you can just go and click on upgrade plan. By the way, I didn't purchase any subscription, that's why it's not showing here. In your case, it will be available in the credit or in the plan section. So here, for example, if I have taken the standard or pro or premier plan here, usually there's an option to cancel it up, right? So there's an always an option, right? So here you have to just go and click on cancel button wherever you can say it, and just go and click on, or here you can just go and click on manage. In the membership plan, you will able to see your exact plan which you're going through. Now beside this, you will get this cancel button. Just go and click on cancel, and it will give you some of prompt. For example, it will give you whether you want the refund or not depending upon the policy of the Kling AI, and you will get it. So this is how you can cancel subscription on Kling AI. Thanks for watching.